The Motivx Tools MX2326 oil filter wrench is built to give you a secure grip that lets you easily remove your BMW oil filter cap. The 86.4mm 16 flute design is a perfect fit for all BMW engines that use a smooth top oil filter cap and is compatible with over 500 year, model, and engine combinations. Featuring high-quality construction using 6061 T5 cast aluminum, this tool is built tough to remove oil filter caps without breaking or slipping. The wrench features 2 drive options, helping you maneuver into tight spots and giving you more options for working with existing ratchet sets. This tool is backed by our exceptional customer service team, which has over 30 years of professional automotive experience and is led by an ASE certified technician. Motivx tools are built to last, and you can buy with confidence, knowing they are a perfect fit and that we always stand behind our products. Get the job done right the first time with the MX2326 BMW oil filter wrench and make your next oil change fast and easy.